Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best char cloth is probably one of the most essential, yet often overlooked, tools for any survivalist, bushcrafter, or historical reenactor, providing a reliable and efficient way to catch a spark and begin a fire in a variety of conditions, making it an indispensable item for anyone who values self-reliance and preparedness in the great outdoors. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Experience the difference with our premium cleaning cloths. They are crafted from the highest quality microfiber to effortlessly lift away dust, oil, and smudges without leaving a trace. Say goodbye to scratches, streaks, and lint. Our cloths ensure a crystal clear finish on all your delicate surfaces, making them perfect for everyday use. From eyeglasses and screens to camera lenses and electronics, these cloths are designed for it all. They are the ultimate solution for keeping your most used items pristine. Each cloth is sealed in its own protective bag, guaranteeing it's fresh and ready whenever you need it. This ensures optimal performance and convenience. Our cloths are safe for all delicate surfaces, including LCDs, laptops, phones, and camera lenses. Trust them to protect and clean the items you care about most. Discover the magic of a truly clean finish. Our products deliver exceptional results, ensuring your cherished belongings look their best. What we like. If you're tired of streaks and smudges on your delicate electronics and eyewear, this is the solution. It's designed to leave surfaces perfectly clean without any residue. If you need a reliable and individually packaged cloth for various surfaces, this is a great choice. What people say. This char cloth is very easy to light and works great for starting fires. The char cloth is a good size and comes in a convenient container. It's a must-have for any survival kit or camping trip. Number 4. Soft Gray Wash Cloth 6-Pack. Experience ultimate gentleness with our super soft face towels. They are designed to be kind to even the most sensitive skin, making your daily routine a pleasure. Effortlessly remove makeup without irritation. These cloths are perfect for gently cleansing your face and body, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Rinsing is a breeze, and they dry quickly too. Enjoy a fast and effective cleansing experience every time you use them. With a convenient hanging loop, they are easy to store and always ready for use. They are an essential part of any woman's skincare routine. Made from 100% viscose, these washcloths offer a gentle yet effective way to cleanse. They are perfect for face and body care. This set includes 6 gray washcloths, each measuring 10 foot x 10. They provide great value and are perfect for everyday use. What we like. For those with sensitive skin or looking for a gentle yet effective way to cleanse, these cloths are ideal. They offer a luxurious feel and are perfect for makeup removal or a gentle face wash. If you prioritize a soft touch and easy maintenance in your skincare routine, consider these. What people say. This char cloth works great and is very easy to light. It catches a spark very easily and reliably. The char cloth is well made and comes in a good quantity. Number 3. Bondo Tack Cloth, 813. Introducing the Bondo Tack Cloth, designed for professionals. It's your go-to solution for a spotless finish every time. This cloth effectively lifts away loose sand, dust, and other debris from any surface. Ensure a clean canvas for your project. Use it before applying primer or paint to guarantee a smooth and flawless application. It prepares surfaces perfectly. Engineered with the professional user in mind, this tool meets the demands of modern applications. Experience its powerful performance. Each package contains one 1.5 foot x 1 yard tack cloth. It's a simple yet essential addition to your toolkit. What we like. If you're preparing surfaces for painting or a flawless finish, this is your go-to. It effectively picks up fine particles that other methods miss. If you're a professional or a DIYer who demands a clean surface before applying coatings, this tack cloth is essential. What people say. This char cloth is excellent for starting fires. It catches a spark very easily and consistently. The cloth is well prepared and ignites with minimal effort, making it reliable for emergency fire starting. It comes in a good quantity, and each piece is perfectly charred, ready to use right out of the tin. Number 2. Kuvik High Carbon Steel Flint Striker. Never get caught in the dark again. This high-carbon steel striker is designed for reliable fire starting in any situation. When survival is on the line, you need tools you can trust. This striker is an essential part of your emergency kit. Crafted from durable high-carbon steel, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. You can count on it when you need it most. Its simple design makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Get a spark quickly and efficiently. Small enough to fit in your pocket or backpack, it's always ready to go. Take it with you on all your adventures. Don't leave your safety to chance. Be prepared for any emergency with this dependable fire-starting tool. What we like. For the outdoor enthusiast or anyone preparing for emergencies, this tool is a lifesaver. It provides a dependable spark in any weather condition. If you need a robust and reliable way to start a fire in survival situations, this striker is a must-have. What people say. This char cloth is excellent for starting fires. It catches a spark very easily and burns with a nice, steady flame. The char cloth is a good size and thickness, making it easy to handle and use. It comes in a convenient tin that keeps it fresh and protected. I was impressed with how quickly the char cloth ignited. It's a reliable and essential item for any survival kit or camping trip. Number 1. Kuvik High Carbon Steel Flint Striker. Never get caught in the dark again. This essential tool ensures you can start a fire quickly and reliably, no matter the conditions. Crafted from high-carbon steel, it's designed to withstand the toughest environments. It's your dependable partner for any outdoor adventure or emergency. Simply strike it against a ferro rod to create sparks. It's incredibly straightforward, making fire starting accessible even for beginners. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your pocket, backpack, or survival kit. Always have the means to make fire wherever you go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an unexpected situation, this striker is a must-have. It provides peace of mind and a crucial survival capability. What we like. This is the ultimate tool for anyone who needs to ensure they can start a fire, no matter the circumstances. Its durable construction guarantees performance when you need it most. If you prioritize preparedness and a reliable ignition source for outdoor adventures or emergencies, this striker is an excellent investment. What people say. The char cloth is a great product for starting fires. It catches a spark very easily and reliably. The cloth is well prepared and ready to use right out of the package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.